You turned it up and the bass just shook everything.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Jim Welch, and I got 4 stunt laser 15s and some of their prefab boxes.
Okay.
And I made me some little port tuning blocks that I slide in here so I can retune it a little bit lower.
So you can pull them out whenever you want. Let's say you wanted to do a burp versus a musical.
That's what I do. I pull it out. I got them in stacks of 3.
Oh, wow.
They're actually 4, but they're 3 inches. Each stack is 3 inches, and I can pull them out. And
so you're able to actually. So what is your tuning now versus what it is on the high end?
It likes 25 pretty good now.
Okay.
With them out, I burp.
Wait, you slide them out?
Yeah.
Oh, you're snug, dude.
Yeah, they're snug.
I wouldn't worry about it. Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
And then the next one starts here and goes a little longer, and then the bottom one starts and goes a little longer.
Wow.
So it makes it like a ramp as it
Yeah.
comes up and out.
That's a smart move. Okay. Never seen that before.
Just something I wanted.
I've seen Aeroport plugs where people extend the port, but this is like a slot port adjustment instead. But the same thing. Okay.
I used to do the same thing. Yeah.
So what are these subs rated for, RMS wise?
1,500 RMS.
Okay.
But they do all right.
And what is it wired to on the amp?
It's wired to 1 ohm, but strapped to them 2, so they're seeing like a half a piece.
Okay.
So they're strapped to 1.
All right. Any, what was your SPL, your best score?
Best was a 59.5.
With a center port, wow.
With these out.
That's good.
At 49 hertz.
49, okay. But with these in, I'm guessing it's in the 30s or?
It likes a little lower, but I still did a 56 at 45.
Wow, that's good. Okay, congrats. I'm sure you've done a lot of work to get there, so.
Oh yeah, it's a lot.
Okay.
Yep. Put that one down, or you want this one up or down?
Whatever is best and loudest for you.
Oh, it don't matter. We'll do both.
Both, okay. All right.
And I just wrote back over here.
And you got a little bit of an offset, so you have your receipt room.
Yes, I wanted to keep the room.
Yeah. Was that glass always like that? Man, you're really shattered. I'm surprised you haven't shattered the glass more. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't expect to see this kind of system in this truck when you come up to it.
Yeah, it does pretty good.
Man. So you ever have USB issues? It sounds like a certain amount of pressure vibrates it too, so.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
I'm gonna swap.
All right, sure, man.
She got treasure in her watch, you know the time. Cold, Killer King. Niggas is fucking finished. This shit. It's DJ Rusticles. She look back at it when she throw that. I ain't mad when she show that. Put your own horn, girl, blow that. Move back, chicks, them thuggers, chicks, they love that. Won't you make it?
Just shook everything. That's some pressure for this truck, man. That's good, man. Some good pressure for that.
That's all right.
For the amount of power, too.
Oh, yeah.
You did great. I appreciate the demo, man. Your name?
Jim Welch.
Jim, thank you. Thank you, Jim, for the awesome demo. Good bandwidth, and you gave me 2 songs.
Oh, yeah, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop